Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to take your seats. This is a challenging session because we have had two very interesting, deep, intense days. So I hope you can still stay in the room with us for a while because we are having very interesting speakers. I am Clara de Torre. I'm Director in the European Commission in the Directorate General for Research and Innovation. I'm dealing there with the key enabling technologies. And I am honored, and I would like to thank the organizers of the conference for inviting me to chair a session which you see is called Game-Changing Key Technologies for Manufacturing, where we are going to address how industry is going to address the pressure of constant innovation needed in the market, the rhythm of innovation, which is very, very high, and to ensure at the end of the day long-term success. In particular, this session will explore some of the latest innovations and will give an overview of the technologies of the future that will change the manufacturing paradigm. We have heard about this new manufacturing paradigm during these 2 days from very different perspectives. So here is another one. Let me remind you that through the framework programs in Horizon 2020, we are also there trying to help to smooth the path to this change in manufacturing paradigm. As you know, we have a program of about 80 billion euro for 7 years, and over 2 billion euros are being devoted to manufacturing and to the public-private partnership called Factory of the Future, many of you being involved there. And there is a very successful partnership which already started in the previous framework program, and given its success in terms of participation, in terms of strategic thinking, this has been renewed for a longer period. In these partnerships, we do have open call for proposals, so it is not a closed club, it's a fully open club, where the agenda, if I can say so, is being set and led mainly by industry, because that's the whole purpose of the program. More generally, we have in our program a number of activities, a number of actions beyond the factories of the future in fields of materials, in the fields of nanotechnology, in biotechnology, in ICT, as you've heard, as you know, that are aimed at a single goal, which is enhancing European competitiveness to create growth and jobs. This is our far aim. And this is linked to the objective that I'm sure you are all aware, that the Commission has proposed that by 2020 we have 20% of the European GDP coming out of industry. To do that, we have a joint responsibility of making that industry successful, sustainable, and we give high added value jobs to our citizens. So I'll stop here in my introduction, and I'll pass the floor to our honorable speakers. I'm sure everybody will keep the timing so that at the end of the session, if you're still alive, we can have a few questions from the floor.